y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Today we are cleaning, as you can hear. Erin is doing the dishes right now, and I am going to get the bedroom cleaned up, get some laundry done, and do some more straightening up around the house. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you get some cleaning motivation from it. Let's go ahead and get started.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I don't wanna go back.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you.
Alright, I'm trying to get both of us in the camera. Erin got done with all the dishes. I did a little bit in the bedroom and the laundry area. Now I'm going to just finish straightening up in the kitchen, in the living room, and then I need to go to Dollar General to see if they have any like little jars that I can put that seasoning in that we made the other day. Actually, y'all would have seen that yesterday. So, that's what I'm going to do. I guess I can show you what it looks like. I actually did it for about 12 hours. And the rosemary's dry. I will take it off of the sticks when I store it in the jars. And then my basil is down here. And I think it's all dried out. Yeah. Okay, so I just thought, because I am gonna go to Dollar General, I will show y'all what their fall decor looks like if they have any out. And I got Aaron to, or I'm getting Aaron to, even though he told me to do it. He got me this a long time ago at Dollar General, and it's a two-tiered shelf. So the plan is to put it on that wall right here behind him. So that's the plan. Thank you. You want my tools? Okay.
Forever, I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't.
Alright, y'all, so we are setting up the shelf now, and I did not realize that Aaron was vaping. So it's not cigarette smoke. I promise you that. He would not smoke in the house. He actually hasn't smoked cigarettes in years, but he does vape. So that's what he was doing. That's the vapors that you see. But right now he's just making sure that it's level. And then earlier he was asking me like how I wanted the wood pieces to go. And I don't think I showed you on up close of the wood pieces, but looking at the box I thought it was just a solid white, but it actually has texture to it and it looks like a wood grain. So I thought that was really nice, but I can't wait to show y'all what it turns out looking like at the end of this video, so just stick around for that.
I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't.
Alright, so he's taking the old doorknob off of here and switching it for this black one, because I had painted over the other one, but we already had that black doorknob, so we didn't have to go out and get it.
Waste this.
So we are just about out of white paint, and I noticed, and y'all noticed, that this doorknob is smaller than the other one, so you can see a little bit of the brown underneath it. But whenever I do go get more paint, I will take this doorknob off before I paint, because I also need to paint the inside of the door and the like part, you know, when you open it, the middle part of the door. So he said he's gonna do a little bit more work to make it perfect. But if I have to take it off anyways to paint it, would it affect whatever you need to perfect? Okay. I am going to go to Dollar General and look for those little jars. And I actually think that I have some decor that will match the decor I put out the other day, that I'll put on those 2 shelves, so that I'll show y'all the after once I get that done. Y'all right? Okay. And back from the store. This needs to be a project for us to do. If you got a fridge that needs to be cleaned out, let me know. Because if you do, I'm gonna film that. Not today, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I had put the chicken broth in here. I don't know why I didn't think to put the chicken broth in here the first place, but I'm about to get dinner started. We're having chicken and rice. Y'all know I've already made the chicken because I did that the other day. And I'm gonna use this chicken broth that we made from boiling the chicken as our water. How's that sound? Oh, and we're using yellow rice instead of white rice. Here. And Aaron finished the door. Do you want to go show him your door? So he... Now why am I coming back here if you're going to come back here and tell them? Oh, okay, sure. You want to tell them? You want to explain what it even...
We had issues before because these doorknobs and the doors are made smaller than house doors. So whoever replaced it before us put a regular doorknob in it just like I did. But you just have to modify it.
Yeah.
But it works just fine now.
So now it just needs to be painted. It needs to be taken off, painted, and then this needs to be painted white.
Also, the other doorknob was broke because you couldn't, it wouldn't turn.
Yeah. And you did that. Mm-hmm. Oh, and this was like coming apart. So what'd you do? Like nail it back in there?
Yeah, I need to get another thin piece of wood to put behind there, but for now, that's how it's going to be.
Okay. I'm thankful. This came with a new one.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it works.
Yeah. And
I've been needing it to work.
Eventually I'll paint this
we used to have to slam
white.
It and then fight with the door handle because it didn't want to turn.
Yeah, but now it's awesome. I'm sure they've seen me have to fight with the doorknob too to get it to open and close. Alright, so I've got my water and the butter for the chicken going. I just have a little bit left in here, which sometimes we have to add more water to the rice. So I'm going to decorate that little space right there with some things I had already. Also, that decor at Dollar General, they didn't have a ton, but I think it's because they just remodeled it, so they're probably like just trying to catch up. But what we did see, I thought was really cute. That yellow, mustard yellow pumpkin with the white lace looking detail on the front, very pretty. But I did not need it. And I didn't show y'all, but I got 2 jars for the spices. These are the smallest jars they had. They'll do. And I need to put a sticky note on them, so I mean I'll be able to tell the difference. But the basil dried does kind of look like mint dried, so anyway, I'll have to put a sticky note on it because I have a Cricut machine, but I do not feel like getting out all my materials just to make some labels, but I will do that soon. Alright, so the beads and both pumpkins were from Dollar Tree. I got the pumpkins last year, or the year before that actually. And the beads I got this year, so you may be able to find them. And then this little thing with the cattails was from Dollar General a few years ago as well. That's probably like my original decor, was those few things. And I would have this cleared off. I don't know if you remember, but I had this cleared off, and I had those 2 gold plates right here, and then that stuff was in the middle. Do you remember that? No? Okay. Our rice is already going. So that's what we're doing for the rest of the day, is just fixing food. Alright, here's my rosemary and basil. Got the basil in here. I blended it. And then here's my rosemary. I am exhausted, so I'm going to end it here. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back here very soon. I don't really have a schedule anymore. I'm just kind of uploading as I have the inspiration to post stuff, which is often right now because I don't just have to clean. So I will maybe see you tomorrow, maybe the next day, I don't know, but it will be soon. Bye.